Now, let me explain how to fix the lags and freezes you might encounter. In CapCut on your PC, let's explore how to proceed. First, please close all programs that you currently have open here. For example, you might have your browser, Telegram, or others open. Programs, Discord, various games, and other applications that might be running in the background. Next, try to carefully free up some disk space for better performance. CapCut can heavily utilize your disk space for caching, rendering, and temporary files, as you see here. And temporary files, as showed here. Leave a few gigabytes available for CapCut to function smoothly. Next, you should try to carefully clear the cache within the CapCut application for better performance. Now, let's see how it's done. Now, let's carefully close the application where you were editing videos. After that, let's go into the settings. And as you can see here, follow along. You have some cache stored here. You simply take it and carefully delete it from your device. After a little time passes, as you can see, it gets deleted. And that's all, folks. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck and a fond farewell.